Hey guys, today we're going to be making an automatic door that is pretty slick and easy, and no glitches, glitch free. As you can see, it's not spazzing out, and there's no sliders here that go on to oblivion. And it's foolproof. It only uses 2 chips, a greater than and a multiply. The more the chips, the more risk you have of your prop spazzing out if it is in motion. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Alright, perfect. Now first what you want to do is spawn a 1x2 and lower it to the ground as needed, as low as you want. I'm using plastic. You can use any other prop you want. A 1x2 of I'm using Phoenix Storm's model pack because it's the best. Okay, once you have that, you do need a stacker for this. If you don't have a stacker, you do not deserve to play Gmod. So take your stacker out and do click freeze props. We do not want to weld them. No collide props. Relative to world and to the right, count 1. None of all these should be 0, and just click it to get 4 of them. Now what you want to do is take out your slider tool and create a slider at this corner to this corner, this one to this one, that corner, that one, and finally this one to that one. And once that's set up, take out your welder or weld tool and weld the 2 edge ones to the floor. Because if you plan on moving this somewhere else, then don't weld them. I'm just welding them so it doesn't fall. And next, take out your high wire hydraulic. Fixed is unchecked, and width doesn't really matter. And it should be from here to here, and we'll just place a controller, I don't know, like up here. It's fine. From here to here, place a controller there, and now we start wiring. Take a 1x1 out for a control panel. We need a beacon sensor, output distance, and a target finder targeting players, or target whatever you want it to open to. If you want it to open when a player goes across, and target players or NPCs. If I don't know why you do that, but anyway, take a beacon sensor tool, right click beacon sensor, right click at the target finder, and they should be linked. I don't know, mine likes to link whenever it wants to. Doesn't want to do it when I link it, but okay. Okay, they're linked. Now what you want to take out is a gate comparison. You want a greater than chip. You also want an arithmetic multiply. And you want 2 constant values. One constant value should be your hydraulic length. So this is 47.9, this is 47.9, I'll round it up to 48. And your second value should be how many inches away you want the player or NPC to be when these start opening. I found 200 is a good length, so we'll place that right there. Now let's wire it all up. Your your greater than chip goes up to the beacon sensor's output distance, and that's the only thing we had checked, so it just doesn't ask for it. We don't have to right click or anything. And the B of the greater than goes to the constant value of 200. Now the multiplies A goes to the greater than, and its B goes right to the 48, or whatever number you had if you're using a bigger prop. And that's it, believe it or not. Just put this above your door, or you can put it right in front, make it invisible and no collide it with everything, but I found that placing up above is a bit easier. Take out your non-wire color tool and bring your transparency down to 0. Make sure this is off to the white so it doesn't get a shade of pink or anything. And just click on everything on that control panel, and then the control panel itself, and these, because these look a bit ugly. Stand back, unfreeze your doors, and walk towards it. Oh, my target finder, that's right. You will need to no collide this one with this one and this one with this one, and might as well put them together for good measure. I guess I have something wrong with my target finder. Let's see here. Target players. Oh, duh. Sorry guys. You do wire your hydraulic length. I'll use invisible wire, so I'll set my wire width to 0. And wire your length to the multiply chip, and this length to this multiply chip. See, they open and close once I get in within 200 inches. And that is pretty easy, guys. Go have some fun.